Hi everyone, hope you having an amazing day. Today in this video, I'm gonna say about my grandma. She was 80 plus, no, 80,
कैसा लगा मेरा मजाक
86 years old. So I'm gonna show her taking picture about her. So let's get started with my video. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and consider subscribe my channel, guys. Yeah. So let's get started.
सब्सक्राइब करो सब्सक्राइब करो शुभम चंद्रा वाइंस को, वरना विमल खाकर तुम्हारी आंख पर थूक दूंगा, हमेशा के लिए अंधा हो जाएगा।
Salah Freddy. Salah Freddy. Salah phải doang mau gitu. Tak sedong. Video clever nih gitu. Video clever nggak nak pada itu. Relasi boleh. Isu tuh itu.
So finally, we have finished to click the picture on my grandma. So she back to home right now. And finally, right now, I'm gonna show you guys. This is the traditions we are making. This one I want, and I'm gonna have right now. This is already means already done. Preparing. Now I'm trying to have. This is 4 pieces here. I have just brought from my home. This one tradition, guys. I'm going to have right now. Ooh, when you have leg.
Very clear.
This one rice, this one sticky rice and coconut, and this is banana leaves. I'll cut for you. Ada yang munjuk mama? Munjuk.
Munjuk lah.
Sari.
Ada masakan dengan busuk lain yang lekler dia.
Another one I'm trying. This one banana leaves and then here sticky rice.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
Yep. Right now I'm going to have food right now, and yeah, like subscribe and make comment, and see you in the next vlogs, guys. Yeah, thank you very much once again. Yeah, see you in next.